After almost 5 months, we are together at last. Yup, join me as I pick up Mitzi from the shop after the lockdown. I'm cleaning my helmet now because of some exciting news. It got me so excited that I used a chain lube for my visor instead of the correct and a much gentle lens cleaner. I tried removing it using the visor cleaner. Didn't work. I had to remove the greasy chemical using liquid soap in warm water. Looks like it worked. Now let's clean the helmet. And replace the clear lens with the iridium lens. Snap the parts back. Looking good. So going back to the good news, today I'm getting my motorcycle. So we are on our way to Biker Box to pick up Mitzi, my Moto Guzzi V9 bobber. That's right, it has almost been 5 months since I last rode my motorbike. Some of you may remember that I had an accident in the 2020 Boss Ironman event held last January 17. On my way to the last checkpoint, my bike slid on the side of the road. Got a broken collarbone and was rushed to the nearest hospital. Mitzi, my bike suffered a broken engine cover, a broken clutch lever, a broken horn, broken auxiliary light cover, and a few scratches. The good thing is I didn't need an operation, but I still had to wait for the bones to heal naturally, which took around 4 months, while Mitzi got her much needed healing as well. Then, as I was about to fully recover, we got hit by COVID-19. So the chance that I get to see my bike soon was delayed until further notice. So even if I was already capable of riding, I had to wait until the quarantine is lifted, allowing me to get her from Biker Box in Parañaque. And today is the day. It's around 10:30 in the morning, traffic is moderate, weather is good, the sun is up, but hopefully not too hot riding back home. I also bought a new pair of horns which I will let them install. Hopefully it won't take them that long, and that I can still make it back home in time for my Zoom meeting at 1 p.m. You know, We all gotta work so that we'll have money to pay for stuff like this. So we're finally here in BikerBox. We just need to follow the shop's protocols for everyone's safety. It's been too long.
Ay.
I like coming here. Even if I don't need to buy anything, I just like looking at stuff. I really like this helmet. I had the first edition of the Boxer helmet in orange and black. I still like it. Going up the second floor is the best part. This is where they keep their latest collection of motorcycles. There used to be a lot of Vespas here, but they sold out as the demand for scooters have increased. So they have adventure bikes like the Moto Guzzi V85, the V9 Bobber Sport, let's see, sportier cousin, V7 Stone in red and in black, the Aprilia Tuono, they also have Moto Morini Corsaro, and a Moto Morini bicycle. Arai helmets. Look at the Ruby helmets. I like the Tiffany blue color, but not the gold parts. So let's see if Mitzi's finished. How much for the damage? Here she is. She's now ready to go, so let's take her home. Okay, and we're back in business. First time to ride again since the accident. So since January 18, it was the day of the accident, and then after that the pandemic struck. So I've been in quarantine since the last week of January. So this will be my first time that I'll be riding my motorcycle again since almost 5 months. I forgot to strap my helmet again, just like the last time and a few other times before. Anyway, so far so good. It's a very warm day. It's almost noon. Hopefully later in the expressway we'll get a lot of wind, which I miss. The wind slamming on your body, venting your head, your hair, your scalp, your face. I thought given the 5-month gap, I'll be a little disoriented riding this bike. You'll think that you'll forget some of the controls, but I guess there are some things that you'll never forget. Call it instinct. I'll just go straight to the condo from here. The good thing about not taking the Skyway is you get to drive along the shaded area of the highway. With this temperature, even with the wind, it gets really hot up there. I need to have this full tank as well. I don't know, I don't remember how much gas is in here. I usually reset the trip meter whenever I get a full tank. Then when the gauge reaches around 150 kilometers, then I gas up again. The loose helmet strap is really annoying. I'm not really bothered about the scratches it would make. My helmet's design is like that anyway. Like brushed metal. It's more of the tapping sound it creates. Maybe if we just tuck this in. It's hard with these thick gloves. There. Freedom! Too bad I wasn't able to see Mark De Hoya, the president of Biker Box. He was having a meeting when we got there, and he's still not finished when we left. He's been very helpful, especially during the Boss Ironman event. I just wanted to thank him personally, because after my accident we didn't have a chance to meet. So I thought this would be the best opportunity to meet him. Well, maybe next time.
Clover ng Clover, by Clover Finger.
Simot sarap kasama ang Clover.
This is such a short ride, but that's okay. There won't be any restaurant open for dining yet anyway. Besides, I don't think it's already safe to travel anywhere now. And also I have a meeting at 1 p.m. So we will just reschedule a long drive some other day. We are close to home. It's not so bad. Such a short trip. Bitin. Temperature is 36 degrees. It's 12:24, so I got about 26 minutes for my meeting. Then after that, I still have a 6 o'clock meeting. But you do what you got to do. Need to work to finance all the repairs and spare parts. This lane has many trees, so let's stay here and benefit from the shade. I'm well below the speed limit, so I want to really feel the moment. You don't really need to rush. You don't need to travel too fast, or else this will be over in a short while. I want to savor the trip. That's why I'm not pushing the bike too fast. We're almost home. Okay, this is the horn, the signal lights, the modes, the kill switch, start button, hazard, okay. I'm just reorienting myself with the controls. Side view mirror angles are perfect. Left, right. My rosary is here. I always get scared whenever a police officer approaches me. Even if I didn't do anything wrong. Do you also feel the same? And we're home, ladies and gentlemen. I miss this parking space. Good thing there's still space for me. All right. Thank you for taking this ride with me. I'll see you in the next video.